Garlic breadsticks are a timeless classic, but today we're taking them to the next level. Imagine golden, buttery sticks of dough filled with juicy ground chicken, served with a rich marinara sauce, and paired with a steaming cup of coffee or tea. Sounds amazing, right? Let me take you on a journey where this recipe not only satisfies your hunger but leaves you craving more. Let's get started. The magic begins with the dough. I like to use warm milk because it adds a soft, pillowy texture to the breadsticks and gives them a golden crust. In a small bowl, combine half a cup of warm milk, a quarter cup of warm water, 1 packet of dry yeast, and a teaspoon of sugar. To make the dough even richer and softer, crack in 1 egg and mix it lightly with the yeast mixture. Stir it gently and let it sit for about 10 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it's bubbly and frothy, like the beginning of a culinary science experiment. While the yeast does its magic, prepare the dry ingredients. In a large bowl, mix 2 cups of all-purpose flour with a pinch of salt. Slowly pour the yeast mixture into the flour, stirring it together until it forms a dough. Then comes the kneading, a therapeutic process where the dough transforms under your hands, becoming smooth and elastic. This part takes about 10 minutes, but trust me, it's worth every moment. Once the dough is ready, place it in a greased bowl, cover it with a damp cloth, and let it rise for an hour. While the dough is resting, let's prepare the star of our filling, ground chicken. In a skillet, heat a tablespoon of olive oil, then add minced garlic and finely chopped onions. The aroma fills the kitchen instantly, warm and inviting. Next, add the ground chicken, breaking it into small pieces as it cooks. A sprinkle of dried oregano, a dash of paprika, salt, and pepper bring the filling to life, infusing the chicken with a medley of flavors. Once the chicken is cooked through, let it cool completely. This step is crucial because hot filling can make the dough soggy, and we want these breadsticks to hold their perfect shape. No garlic breadstick is complete without a good dipping sauce. So, while the chicken cools, prepare a simple marinara sauce. In a saucepan, heat olive oil and sauté minced garlic until it turns golden. Then add a cup of canned tomatoes, a pinch of sugar to balance the acidity, and a sprinkle of dried basil and oregano. A little salt and pepper, and let it simmer, stirring occasionally. In just 10 minutes, the sauce thickens into a rich, tangy accompaniment that perfectly complements the breadsticks. With the dough rested and doubled in size, it's time to assemble the breadsticks. Punch the dough down to release the air, then roll it out into a large rectangle. Using a sharp knife, cut the dough into strips about 1.5 inches wide. Each strip becomes a canvas for the ground chicken filling. Spoon a small amount of chicken onto a strip, fold it over, and pinch the edges to seal it tightly. To give the breadsticks their iconic look, gently twist them and place them on a lined baking tray. Brush the breadsticks generously with eggs to seal the edges, ensuring the filling stays inside during baking. Now it's time to bake. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and let the breadsticks bake for about 15 minutes until they're golden brown and filling the kitchen with an irresistible aroma. While they bake, prepare the garlic butter that will take these breadsticks to the next level. In a small pan, melt 4 tablespoons of butter and stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic. Let it simmer briefly before adding fresh parsley for a burst of color and freshness. When the breadsticks come out of the oven, brush them generously with the garlic butter, letting it seep into the crispy crust. For the finishing touch, sprinkle a little Parmesan cheese over the top. The result is absolutely stunning. Golden, glossy, and aromatic breadsticks that you just can't wait to dive into. Now comes my favorite part, pairing and plating. Arrange the breadsticks on a platter, with a small bowl of marinara sauce in the center for dipping. To complete the experience, enjoy with a hot cup of coffee. There's something magical about the contrast. The warmth of the breadsticks, the tangy sauce, and the comforting aroma of freshly brewed coffee or tea. With each bite, I'm reminded why I love this recipe so much. The soft, buttery breadstick melts in my mouth, while the savory chicken filling adds a hearty, satisfying bite. The marinara sauce is the perfect tangy balance, and the coffee ties it all together. This is more than just food. It's an experience, a memory in the making. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did sharing it with you. If you try it, let me know in the comments how it turned out. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fun Food Stories for more delicious recipes that will change your life. Until next time, happy cooking!